Bell needs to speak.
Oh, a classic, I see. We're starting off strong with AC/DC. Oh my God, Pauline Pants
My
language has been murdered. My language has been
murdered.
murdered.
My chocolate murdered. My voice just gone. I don't like it. No. I don't like it.
Is this actionable? I don't know.
Anything.
In the public eye.
Like it.
No,
I don't.
nowhere near. I don't
Like it. I don't
like anything.
The pub. That's what's most important. Beer.
Wow, we're really starting off
really?
strong with the sample.
One case of
Don't know what this is.
Now this is get on the beers.
beers.
Everybody.
Haven't heard that one in a while.
Get on the beers.
On the beers.
That's what
Must be done.
Get on the beers.
It seems to me that people like the song, but not the album it's from. I mean, I don't think we're gonna shake off the step out of the shadow of rock song, you know.
Walking a straight line.
We come from a land down under.
A lot of good songs in
Oh,
this.
yeah.
My God.
Oh, we're in the road with the
A
thunder.
lot of good
I've had to
songs.
perform this on stage
Can you
and
hear
it'll forever haunt me. Cue the river!
Gonna sit in silence.
Oh my God!
Not bad.
Sure have! To the ring! I've done the thing.
Doesn't make you shiver the way things could have gone. Doesn't familiar.
Fantastic.
Everyone wants a little more, so that I do remember to never go back on. Could you leave me with a scar?
Another karaoke.
I'm out of faith. This is how
I wonder how big the role she takes on
this woman who just never changed.
Get the whole
It's
thing.
so surreal.
If she does,
The perfect guy who's torn. You're a little haze. I'm already torn.
Smoke was better too.
Sounds familiar. Don't remember the
I still love it. It's great to play on the summer evenings too. This, I don't know.
Oh, Christina.
My home is waiting for me. My home
that said my island. It's my island.
home is waiting for me.
Ah, this song was everywhere in my teens.
I remember this song being popular at the time I went through a really bad breakup. So I thought Hudson would mess with that.
Said I don't need
It's the original, not the remix.
Very important song and
Yeah, they took out all the angry music of the original, still great, and just made the remix. And I think, of course, the whole point, the song just went over his head. Like,
Classic.
Savage Garden.
Oh my god.
this is hands down my favourite Gun song.
If you need them torn apart, you got a broken heart.
And I'm not afraid to admit it too!
And crash and burn, you're not alone.
What is this? Why does this sound familiar?
Starts
Why
off
does this
cute.
sound
But
familiar?
then he gets angry.
I felt like I've heard
Defining
this before.
record of my mid-teens. And I can imagine a lot of people out
I've
there.
heard this before.
Here goes.
Outside, all around me, it's really sleazy. Then it hits me.
Beats about it.
Tell me, then see, treats me.
So much that I can't resist you. Top of the I feel so much somehow.
How many got to go?
Can't forget you.
People on the front row.
Looked around at the faces I know. I fell in love with the people in the front row. Looked around at the faces I know. I fell in love with the people in the front row.
My people.
On the outside, a dancer. On the inside, an important message about asylum seekers.
With the people.
Martini!
Scream if you're with me. Oh, she knows.
I think everyone, if you hear this song, you have to do the dance, right? It's like some pre-programmed response because everyone wins at school, but can't really hear something.
You have to dance the song. In my personal opinion,
You're a queen.
very annoying song. Wait, what's this one?
I think Lord is from
Whoa, okay.
He's not from Australia.
Be seeing you.
I
waited for it. That green light. I want it.
They have a drag race down under with Kiwi.
I like this one.
I waited for it. That green light. I want it.
Is Peach
Yeah,
Piazzi
speaking
on this
of
list?
pre-programmed responses, gotta do it. I waited for it. That green light. I want it. Footy song.
Holy Grail.
And nobody got paid. Corners of the earth for the Holy Grail.
Right there on the TV. Horror movie. Right there on the TV. Horror movie. Right there on the TV. Shut
Skyhooks.
And I like everything. It's listening to anything you say.
This might be the defining song at the end, but personally I always thought the latest song was better. And Chris Shaney will agree with me too. I think he said they wanted to take numerous hits before he actually felt comfortable singing this. For example, this is Rob Rob.
Society.